Good day everyone, praise be Jesus and Mary. Today we are going to talk about inverse statement in logic. To start, let's refresh what a logical statement looks like. In logic, we often have statement in the form of P. If P, then Q. For example, if it rains, then the ground will be wet. Luis, could you explain the inverse of such a statement?
The inverse of a statement is simply what happens if we negate both parts. So if the statement is, if it's gonna rain, then the ground will be wet. The inverse of a statement will be, if it's not gonna rain, then the ground will not be wet.
Exactly. So to put it in another way, we have a conditional statement. If P, then Q. The inverse would be, if not P, then not Q.
Right. So if the inverse of the statement would be, if it's not sunny, then I will not go for a walk. Notice how we negate both parts of the statement. The condition statement, if it's sunny, becomes if it's not sunny. And the result, I'll go for a walk, becomes I won't go for a walk.
And one thing to keep in mind is that truth of the inverse is not always guaranteed by the original statement. Just because the original statement is true, doesn't mean the inverse is also true.
Exactly, Aljid. Just because if it's not sunny, I won't go for a walk. So, it's important to remember the truth of the original statement and the inverse are independent.